Hello, Singapore! Finally, after 4 hours, nakarating na din kami. Around 8 PM yung flight namin, kaya 12 midnight na kami nakarating sa Changi Airport. Hinanap na kaagad ni Madam yung twins.
Hi guys, I miss you. Debbie and Jackie is somewhere else. Guys, can you see Debbie Zach?
And nasa Terminal 2 sila nag-aantay. We arrived in Terminal 4 and libre naman yung shuttle bus going there. Andito din pala sa Terminal 2 yung newest attraction nila, 4-story tall digital waterfall. Tignan nyo naman yung details, sobrang ganda. Dito na pala kami nagpa-exchange ng money kasi mas malaki yung makukuha nyo compared sa Pilipinas. Going to our hotel, nag-book lang kami ng sasakyan through Grab. Sa may Holiday Inn, Singapore Little India kami magsistay. And sobrang ganda ng hotel nila, very accessible dahil nasa baba lang yung sakayan ng MRT. So ito yung room namin ng ilang days, may TV, mini ref, at ito yung bed namin. Ito naman yung CR, super ganda, malinis, at may hot and cold shower. This is our night view from the 15th floor. Ito naman siya pag umaga. O diba? Sobrang ganda. So that's it. See you on my next vlog for more Singapore adventure.